look towards this table. There is a temperature of water in degrees Celsius and the time in seconds. So we have obtained the data from the experiment and presented in the form of a table. So there is a temperature and the time. Temperature means how much temperature of that water and how much time it taken to dissolve. For example, at 20 degrees Celsius, time second required is 80 seconds. At 30 degrees Celsius, the time required is 52 time second, and at 40 degrees Celsius, the time is 36 degrees Celsius, and at 50 degrees Celsius, the time required is 26 seconds, and at 60 degrees Celsius, the time required is 20 minutes. So this timetable in this table shows that as the temperature increases, the time decreases. It means that sugar dissolves more quickly in a hot water as compared to cold water. So at less temperature, the time required is 80. At high temperature, the time requires 20 minutes. So it means that our hypothesis is correct. Sugar dissolves more quickly in a hot water than the cold water. Okay. Now the third step is of scientific investigation is reviewing and reporting on the investigation. Third step reviewing means to say that उसको review करना, देखना, and reporting and उस result को report करना. How you did this experiment and what you did on this experiment. Okay. This involves writing up what you did and what happened during your investigation, including the diagram of your apparatus. या तो फिर हम डायग्राम बना के शो कर देते हैं व्हाट वी डिड इन दिस, अगर उसका कोई ऑपरेटर्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट वी डिड इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. और लेकिन फॉर दिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन वी ड्रॉ अ line graph. Plotting a graph is a good way to show your reading follow the pattern. For this purpose we have draw a line graph. For example, this in line graph, this is shows that from table we have seen that 60 degrees Celsius temperature, the time is 20 seconds. So here is also we see is that at y-axis there is a temperature of water in degrees. We have plotted this table in this line graph, temperature on y-axis and time on x-axis. Okay, we see that on 60 degrees at 20 degrees Celsius, this is the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius, the time is 60 seconds. So it is proved that our hypothesis is correct. The time required for hot water to dissolve sugar is less. So sugar is dissolved quickly in a hot water. Explaining your result. Now explain your result, how you will obtain this, and saying whether your hypothesis is correct or not. In this case, the hypothesis is correct. Sugar does dissolve more quickly in hot water than in cold water. So in this case, in this investigation, we proved that our hypothesis is correct. Sugar is dissolved more quickly in a hot water than in cold water. This is called your conclusion. हमने ये conclude कर लिया, मतलब हमारी hypothesis true हो गई. So this is known as conclusion. We prove our result or hypothesis. This is conclusion. It is what you found out as a result of your investigation. इस conclusion का means क्या होता है? It is what you found you as a result of your investigation, कि आपने अपनी investigation जो experiment perform किया है उसे आपने क्या result obtain किया, that is your conclusion. Suggesting how you could improve your investigation to make it more accurate. For example, you could measure the volume of a sugar and more accurately with a measuring cylinder. अपने experiment को ज़्यादा accurately measure करने के लिए हम for example volume of a sugar को किससे measure कर लेंगे? By using a measuring cylinder, ताकि हम accurately उसका volume measure कर लें. ठीक है. Suggesting what you could do if you had more time. अगर हमारे पास ज़्यादा time है, if you have a more time, what you do? For example, you make to find if you get the same result with the different kinds of sugars. If you have a more times, you will perform this experiment with two different sugars. For example, with the white sugar and the brown sugar, and check the result whether the two sugars will take same times for dissolving in a hot and cold water. So this is the chapter end. So you have to do all the test yourself on your NEET notebooks, and the question which I have marked that you will do on your books, it will be done on your books. Okay, Allah Hafiz.